All right, we're on 39. And we're going to talk about translations and all the other transformations. There's going to be 4 of them. All right, so please copy on page 39. I'm going to move this paper in just a minute, so please copy. Okay, I'm going to move it for it to be landscape. And we're going to have 6 boxes. So here we have 2 columns. And I'm going to have 3 rows. So altogether 6 boxes. Right now you don't need your laptops or electronics bill keys. We're in the countdown. We're just taking notes right now on page 39. Ashley and Brittany, you don't need your laptops. Melody, you don't need your laptops. So you could just minimize or like bring it down. And all right. Number 36. This is, sorry. It's 6 altogether. 2 columns, 1, 2, 3 rows. All right, so this is word number 36. And the word is translate, but it doesn't, in math, we're talking about a different translate, not from one language to another language. We're talking about a coordinate plane. Any guesses what translate means? Yes, kind of like that. So remember that we're recording, please. All right, we're doing grade participation 2. You could be here, you could have a point right here, Janet, and then we're going to translate this point over here. We're going to translate this point. We're going to say this one's A, this one's A prime. The new point, we're going to translate it. So what that means is we're sliding it over. Translate means to slide. We don't pick it up. It doesn't get bigger. It doesn't change what it becomes. It's still a point. Okay, we're just sliding it over. Translate means to slide. So when you slide it to it right here, this is going to be the new point A. It's in a new location. And it has new coordinate points. Now, what you're going to do, I hope you notice, I'm not going to give you all this graph paper and grid paper, and you're going to move it and erase it and count. We're going to come up with the new coordinates with rules, with generalizations. So please copy, and I'm going to move this. All right, so here I moved it to the right. Which other way do you think I can slide translate points? To the right, where else? To the left, where else? Down and exactly. So that's what we're going to talk about next. We're going to talk about number 37, translate to the right. Now, we're here. Can we please, Janet and Itzel, stop talking? What can I do to help you stop talking? So, here we've got this point and we're translating to the right. Now, when we translate to the right and we have new coordinates. So the coordinates, when I talk about coordinates, I'm talking about X, comma, Y. I'm talking about X, comma, Y. Now, when I translate over to the right, do you think that's going to change the X or the Y? X. The X. Because we're talking like here, maybe it was at 1, and now that's 2, 3, and now maybe it's like on 4. Yeah. or maybe 5, yeah. Yeah. So we're changing the X. And then do you think the number is getting bigger? We're adding or subtracting when we go this way? Are the numbers getting bigger?
Subtract.
Well, if this is 1 and we go to 5, that would subtract?
Add.
Yeah, add. We're getting bigger because the numbers are bigger on this side here. They're negative. So we're going to add to the X. Whatever it tells you in the problem, you add plus however many units, A units. So it's going to be X plus A comma Y. All right, now we're going to do an example together. Can you give me a number, Luis? Sure. Give me a number, David.
7.
Give me a number, Belkis. 20. Okay, so we're going to move 20 to the right. So that would be X plus 20. You're going to see that on your practice, your 29 translation practice, and nothing's going to happen to the Y. So to the X and the X only, this is the X, the first number, I'm going to add 20. So 10 plus 20 is what, Ruxar?
So
10 plus 20?
No, this that change.
30, comma 7. So that would be after I translate this point, 10, comma 7, 20 over. My new point would be 30, comma 7. Now I'm going to give you one to do for extra credit, and I'll walk around and check your work. So please tell me a number. It's 1. All right, so now we're doing 38. Translate to the left. All right, so that's going to go this way. Do you think that's going to change the X or the Y? Yeah, still the X, because X's go this way. Do you think that's going to subtract or add? Yeah, it's the opposite because we're going to smaller numbers. However many tells you, that's what you subtract. All right. That's going to be X minus, that's my rule, X minus A, comma, Y. All right, can you give me a number, Emily? Can you give me a number, Shirley? Can you give me a number, Sonia? Sorry? I'm gonna make it, okay, fine. All right, so this is changing, Merari or Natalie, is this changing the X or the Y? The X or the Y? No, sweetheart, look, change the X, Roxar, it says change the X. All right, so Selena or Brittany, which one's the X, 18 or 11? 18. So then we're gonna do minus 25. Okay, you're gonna be able to use decimals when you do your activity and your practice and your quizzes, all that kind of stuff. That's negative 7, comma, 11, that one doesn't change. All right, I'm gonna give you one to do for extra credit. Be ready when I come around. 2. Okay, 4 boxes on page 40, David. Yep. 40. Okay, shh. Remember, I'm recording, please. All right, I have 4 boxes, 2 rows, 2 columns. 4 boxes.
Only 4?
1, 2, 3. Yep.
Oh, four.
All right, so when I translate down, I was gonna do up, but that's fine. When I translate up and down, do you think that's changing the X or the Y?
Why?
Good job, yeah, it's the opposite of the other one. The Y is the second number. When I go down, do you think that's plus or minus?
Minus.
Yeah, down and left is minus. All right, give me a number, Nathalie. Sorry? What number? 3. What number, Selena? What number, Merari?
9.
Okay, 9 down. That's gonna change the Y. Minus 9. It's gonna give me -2. I just bring down the rest of it. Okay, and that's when you do down. And then up is you're gonna change the Y. And up is gonna be plus. Now they're gonna ask you on the practice you're gonna do, like for this one, it would have been X, Y plus 9. Because we did Y plus 9. When we go up, it's gonna be X, nothing happens to the X if you're just gonna go up, but it's gonna be Y plus A. All right, give me a number, Janet. Sure, give me a number, Rookstar. Give me a number itself. All right, so which one's the Y, Shirley, 1 or 5? The Y, the second number. 5. And it's going up, so I'm gonna do plus or minus, Luis.
Oh.
Plus or minus? Thank you. And I get what, Roxar? 20. Okay, so this is why I would write the rule X, Y plus 15. That's what I just did. All right, so what we're gonna do next is there's gonna be time for you to practice. You're gonna go to Canvas. You're gonna go to announcements. You're gonna go to third 6 weeks. You don't have to copy that down. And they're gonna go to number 29, translation. That's what we're doing next.